YouTubers? Hey, welcome back to Random Projects. We are done with the ice storm of 2023. See some branches down. One branch made a basket in the hoop. Some are still down, but the sun is out. And that noise is ice falling off the trees. But yeah, you can see we got some damage going on. Yep. Cleanup to be had. Take you down over here. Yep, time to get it going. Little wood chipper action and chainsaw. Get side by side, drag it all away. See the trees still. I mean, it looks cool, but yeah, we got work to do. Alright, thanks for watching. You guys take it easy. We'll be working.